tell that it's our ship because it has the little orange thing on it, right? That's how we know.
The magic carpet.
The magic carpet. This is so exciting.
We're here. Let's go on a cruise.
Let's go on a cruise.
You don't get
You
to
almost
be.
got me.
I know. Let's do it. We are boarding.
Good morning. Welcome aboard.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you. All right.
Good morning. Welcome aboard. 7111. On the next step.
I was very clearly told.
We are on board. So we boarded in no time. It was wild how quick everything went.
What time did we leave the hotel?
I am gonna look to see what time. I haven't even checked out of our Lyft drive yet.
I think it was.
Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome
There's an
aboard
announcement,
the Celebrity
but we're here.
Ascent.
We did our muster station, which was right here.
We'd like to remind you about the
And
mandatory
now we're
guest
going to lunch.
safety briefing.
I want to be in it.
All you
I
need
want
to
to
do
be in
is
it.
Hi, and I'm cruising with Jen. It's so exciting. Okay.
We have our first champagne.
Vacation has started. Woohoo! Cheers. Cheers. Hello. Okay, we are in Tuscan Grill for our concierge lunch, which again is, remember, this isn't Disney, so it's not real concierge, but it's like slightly elevated experiences.
Concierge.
So, I'm with Jen. We're having a great time already. I just have to talk about this bread. So this is the gluten-free bread. It is a delight. It reminds me of sourdough bread. I think it's beef-free, gluten-free, whatever that company is called bread. It tastes exactly like that. So it's very tasty. And it's different bread than I had on the Apex. I think the Apex had like Canyon Bakehouse. So I'm very happy. I will say that our ordering of the lunch was a little tricky today. So there's like 3 entrees on the menu. And they're like, well, the gluten-free option is branzino. Well, I don't eat seafood, so I'm not eating branzino. And they're like, we can get you tomato sauce and noodles. And I was like, I'm not a child. I don't want just pasta noodles with tomato sauce. So I think we worked it out. I ordered with the maitre d'. I would say, don't take the first offer. Keep trying. I am sitting with the window open. The ocean sounds are going behind me. And, well, in front of me, behind you. And it's lovely. The thing is that, like, see this door behind me? This door isn't like a real door, so it would not keep your cabin cool. And so, like, my cabin's hot right now, but we're gonna leave and go to dinner, so it doesn't really matter if my cabin's hot, but it could matter, you know, if A, it was summery, and B, you didn't want it to be 76 or 78 in your cabin, which is what mine currently is. But I love the sounds of the ocean. I might sleep with it open one night. Let's see if I do that. But I'm on a cruise and it's lovely. I'll show you the outside. So this is the cabin with the window open. Those are the buttons that open the window. But see, this is what it's like. Listen. It's just so nice to listen to the sounds. But it is hot in here, so we might have to close this up. Also, we're going to dinner. We're gonna go watch the Martini Bar light show and then go to dinner. So it's time to do all that now. It's time to get off this chair, which is dumb, but also, I mean, not dumb to get off the chair, but also dumb that I have to go and be in public and do the things. But yeah, it's a good start to this trip. I ordered eggplant bruschetta and I've been interrupted while I'm recording.
Sorry, rude.
But look at how good this looks. I'm so excited. Gluten-free bread, of course. Yum, 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 yum. We have a pretty sunset. We're walking around the ship right now and taking pictures, and it's beautiful. And we are on the rooftop. It's a lovely area. The room is ready for bedtime. You can see they put the blinds down. So it's all ready. Turned on service has occurred. I stayed up so late. It is like 10:30. I know that's not late to people, but it's late to me. We went to the show called Residency, and it was so good. And they just had different acts from different Vegas resident, like acts that do residencies in Vegas. So good. I am so tired though. So now bedtime. Bye. Good morning. This is my morning look. I've just gotten out of bed and I'm coming to breakfast look. We are at the Ocean View Cafe, where they have all the breakfast buffet. I have a maitre d' is kind of like, so if you cruise Disney, it's what they would call the head waiter on this type of ship. So I have him from last night. He advised that I should just come here because then he can work with me, and he is getting my breakfast for me this morning. So I'm just waiting on that, and it's been a good night. Let me just make a little comment. If you are watching this and you have children, just maybe don't have them jump around at 6 o'clock in the morning on the cabin, because the people below them will wake up and will not be able to sleep anymore. And that's what happened to me last night, or this morning. So I wish I would have gotten more sleep, because we were up really late and they were just like pounding around, like playing ball or something. So like I considered calling. It was like so much jumping. Okay, but we're not gonna worry about that right now, because we're gonna have breakfast. Oh, and I have my coffee, because we have the drink package. So coffee is included, and yeah, I have my flat white. Okay.
All they want.
It's like they're taunting us for not being on that ship this week, or either of those ships. Crazy. Do you think the Disney wishes we were on her this week? This is the pool on board. It's nice and quiet right now, which I like. I also didn't put this in the original room tour, but this is the beach bag that we received in the room, and even first-time cruisers with Celebrity got it. So it's got like this little pouch here, and then this really nice bag, which is going to be perfect for going to the pool today. And then the retreat gets a little bit nicer of a bag. Okay. Hello from the pool. I'm getting a little sun time. Jen is in the spa, and yeah, I'm just hanging out. It's fun. I feel like that Disney ship is haunting us. She's just sitting right there, right next to us, but I'm not there. I'm actually very happy to be on the Ascent, and I will be on Disney in a few weeks. So things are fine, but also she's just sitting right there, just right there. I stopped at the Spa Cafe to get this beautiful little burrata or caprese salad. it's lunchtime and I'm at the Ocean View Cafe. It's pretty extensive. The way I tackle gluten-free, like anything you want practically, you'll find in this thing. But the way I tackle gluten-free is I look around, I decide what I want to eat, and then I find a maitre d'. That's what they refer to the head waiters, like if you're used to Disney Cruise Line as here, or assistant maitre d's, and I ask them to help get me the food from the back. I find my table, they deliver it to me. So I'm gonna keep walking around and see what I want to eat. I need to get better at actually vlogging because I definitely forgot to take a video of my lunch. But I had steak and some vegetables and a few potato pieces, and it was good. I also stopped, did I put this in here? I stopped at the Spa Cafe and got a caprese salad before this lunch, so I can insert a picture of that here. And that caprese salad was really good, and you can get that in the Spa Cafe, which is in the solarium, and there's no additional money for the items that are in that solarium, so you get that included. Okay, bye. I came back to my cabin, and there's a canapé. So it looks like there's tuna and shrimp, ooh, and like a candy, and maybe some cheesy type thing. So that's fun. I mean, I probably can't eat any of it, and I don't know what I could eat, and I didn't really indicate that I'm gluten-free, so I won't eat it. But also, yay that there is a little thing, and that comes with, so we're in the concierge room, and but it's not Disney Club level or, suite class, but that does come with the room. So, okay. So on the second night, the showtime was Celebrity Showtime at the Club, Smoke and Ivories. This was in the space called the Club, which is very small. And the show was amazing. I highly recommend getting here early, but just know that the space is small. So there were lots of people standing and just people that didn't have space to come and sit. But many of the celebrity performers also performed here. It was some acrobatics. It was incredible. So I highly recommend this show.
Just watch.
each of the ships has this little hallway that goes from like near the elevators to the back where Eden is. And they're just, oh, look, it's me, hi. And it's just, they're all designed differently, all very interesting. And then this little section always has a different like art sculpture on all the Edge class ships as well. I love this. I love the poppies. Are those poppies? I feel like they are. So anyway. And then up here is blue. And just like you can see all the plant life everywhere. There's lots of little seating nooks. This section has some birds you can hear. Little soundtrack. And there's like little like sort of hidden seating. All right, so this is blue, and if you got an aqua spa room, you're here. This is more made to order food. This would be included in your cruise fare for that category of room. And they say it's like lower sodium, made to order, smaller restaurant, things like that. If you keep going, you can see the area getting towards Eden. So Eden is like a mixed use space. They have live music at night, which is always my favorite place to go to live music. Because it's not like overly loud. It just is live music. Usually it's like one person or maybe two singing songs that you would recognize. And I just love this. There's all this like greenery here. I just love it. So anyway, this is Eden. And hold on a second, I'm gonna show you another picture once we get to where we can see things a little better. So there is a specialty dining restaurant downstairs that you can go to. This is the back of the ship, and just look at the floor to ceiling windows. It is just lovely. The bar is really interesting as well, and it's designed a little bit different on the different ships. So here's the casino, and it's not tiny, it's like a good size, so you can really utilize the casino if you're interested in that. And it's all smoke-free, which is my favorite, and people come in here and gamble. The tables all have really high minimums, so that's the only bad part. Like, my husband would have come to play tables, but none of the minimums were anything he would want to hang out with. These muffins in the spa cafe are gluten-free. What? I came to the spa cafe to get a smoothie and then found the gluten-free muffins. You don't really need a gluten-free muffin, but I'm happy that they exist. And now I am back in the room and I'm gonna take a little nap, and I love that as well. Thanks for coming along on this 3-night cruise on the Celebrity Ascent. I had a wonderful cruise with my friend Jen. I'll post her YouTube channel in the comments, and one day I'll actually like wrap up a cruise properly and get a little better at vlogging. But in the meantime, I hope that you found some enjoyment out of this video, and I can't wait to show you what else we have planned for the summer. We have some really great trips, so please come around, hang out. Would love if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel so that I can continue to grow. Thank you.